Welcome back, students. In the previous session we discussed about arithmetic progression and the word problem based on arithmetic progressions. Today we are going to discuss about pair of linear equations in two variables. Generally linear equation means ax plus b. So linear equation in this degree of variable is x is 1, degree of variable is x, and here it has only one variable x. What about a and b are constants, then a pair of linear equations in two variables. For that we will be having ax plus by plus c, ax plus by plus c. Here we have two variables x and y. So x and y are variables a, b, c are constants. A, b, c are constants. So when we have a pair of linear equations, then a1x plus b1y plus c1 is equal to 0. a2x plus b2y plus c2 is equal to 0. So this is the general form of a linear equation in one variable, linear equation in two variable, a pair of linear equations of two variables. Here the coefficient of x is a1, coefficient of y is b1 and the constant c. So here also a2 the coefficient of variable x, b2 the coefficient of y and the constant term. Consistent or inconsistent. How to find whether these two pair of linear equations are consistent or inconsistent? Now if a1 by a2 the coefficient of x, if a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, the coefficient of variable x if not equal to the coefficient of y, then it is consistent. When you solve the two equations they will be consistent and they will have unique solutions. When a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. When a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, then also it's consistent and have infinitely many solutions. If a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2, it is inconsistent. And they don't have solutions. And when a1 by a2 is there, when this pair of lines, when a1 by a2 is not equal to b1 by b2, it is intersecting lines. They are intersecting lines. So intersecting lines have unique solution because they will intersect at one point. If a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, it is consistent and they are called coincident lines, and they have infinitely many solutions. When a1 by a2 is equal to b1 by b2 is not equal to c1 by c2. So in that I was writing the pair of lines have unique solution, they are intersecting lines, parallel lines and coincident lines. They will have unique solution, no solution and infinitely many solutions like that. For that let us take examples, few examples. We have x minus 3y equal to 0, 4x plus 3y minus 20 is equal to 0. Now we know that the coefficient of x is a1 and y is b1, a1, it is a1, b1 and c1 is 0, here a2, b2 and c2. So we are going to compare a1 by a2. What the coefficient of a1 is 1 by 4, b1 minus 3 by 3, c1 0 by minus 20. The comparing ratios a1 by a2 So here if you see a1 by a2, 1 by 4 is not equal to minus 3 by 3. So a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. If you draw the graphs for these two equations on solving, we'll get intersecting lines. We'll get intersecting lines, and will algebraically they will have unique solution. They will have unique solutions. Then again a1 by a2, 2 by 4, b1 by b2, 3 by 6, minus 9 by minus 18. All these areas 1 by 2, 1 by 2, minus minus plus 1 by 2. So a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2. So they are coincident lines. They are coincident lines and have infinitely many solutions. And have infinitely many solutions. So then comparing a1 by a2, 1 by 2, 2 by 4, minus 4 by minus 12, 1 by 2, 2 ones are 1 by 2, 1 by 3. So in this case a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2. Then graphically if you solve these questions, you will get parallel lines and have no solutions. Why they don't have no solution means they won't intersect. In this first equation, when they are intersecting lines, they will intersect at a point and will have unique solutions. And this one, when a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, you will get coincident lines. So we will be having infinitely many solutions. When a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 and it is not equal to c1 by c2, we will get parallel lines, they won't meet each other. So we won't get any solution. Now we are going to solve this equation graphically. We have two equations, x plus y is equal to 10 and x minus y is equal to 4. If we check the coefficients, that is a1 by a2 is equals to 1 by 1, b1 by b2 is equal to 1 by minus 1. So which is equal to 1, which is equal to minus 1. Therefore a1 by a2 is not equals to b1 by b2. Then we should get intersecting lines. Now on solving, x plus y is equal to 10. Then y is equal to 10 minus x. Y is equal to 10 minus x will be the equation. We can give values to x to find the values of y. So when x equal to 0, y is equal to 10 minus 0 is equal to 10. When x equal to 5, y is equal to 10 minus 5 is 5. When x equal to 10, y is equal to 10 minus 10 is 0. Similarly, when x equal to that equation, x minus y is equal to 4, that implies y is equal to x minus 4. When 4 comes this side, it will become minus 4, and y, if it goes that side, it will become plus y. So y is equal to x minus 4. When x equal to 0, y is equal to 0 minus 4 is minus 4. When x equal to 2, y is equal to 2 minus 4 is minus 2. When x equal to 3, y is 3 minus 4 is minus 1. When x equal to 4, y is equal to 4 minus 4 is 0. 4 minus 4 is 0. So minimum we need 3 values to draw a graph, and so we have that 1, 2, 3 values. When x equal to 0, y is 10, x equal to 5, y is 5, x equal to 10, y is 0. We got the values, and if we solve it graphically, so this will be x axis, this will be y axis, So z 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 7. X equal to now if you see, when x equal to 0, y is 10. So x is equal to 0 comma 0 is here, y is equal to 10. When x equal to 5, x is equal to 5, y is also 5 here. When x equal to 10, y is 0. X equal to 10, y is 0. Join these lines. When you join this line, and when x equal to 0, y is minus 4, y is minus 4, and when x equal to 2, y is minus 2. When x equal to 3, y is minus 1. When x equal to 4, y is this. So on solving, on producing, will get, so they will meet at a point. They will meet at a point. When they meet, we got intersecting lines. Intersecting lines. They will meet at some point. So we will get intersecting lines. So next, solve graphically. X plus y is equal to 5 and 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then we'll compare a1 by a2. So 1 by 2, b1 by b2, 1 by 2, 5 by 10. So 1 by 2. Therefore a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, and we should get coincident lines. We should get coincident lines and have infinitely many solutions, and have infinitely many solutions. So x plus y is equal to 5, then y is equal to 5 minus x, then y is equal to, when x equal to 0, y is equal to 5 minus 0 is 5. When x equal to 1, y is equal to 5 minus 1 is 4. When x equal to 3, y is equal to 5 minus 3 is 2. When x equal to 5, y is equal to 5 minus 5 is 0. Then we'll check for 2x. 2x plus 2y is equal to 10. Then 2y is equal to 10 minus 2x. Then y is equal to 10 minus 2x by 2. Then y is, when x equal to 0, y is equal to 10 minus 0 by 2 is 5. 10 by 2 is 5. Similarly, we will get the same values here. When x equal to 3, y is equal to 10 minus 2 into 3 is 10 minus 6 is 4 by 2 is 2. When x equal to 5, y is equal to 10 minus 10 by 2 is 0. So if you see here, when x equal to 0, y is 5. When x equal to 3, 2 here. When x equal to 5, y is 0. X equal to 5, y is 0. We'll get coincident lines only. So if we solve this graphically, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 1, 2. So y-axis and x-axis, the negative of x and negative of y is not given because all the values are positive. Given value is also positive, and what we got the values, that value is also positive, so we didn't mention here. When x equal to 0, y is 5. When x equal to 1, 4. When x equal to 2, 3. When x equal to 3, 2. When x equal to 4, 1. Y is 5. So this will be so this will be for both the lines. If you take x plus y is equal to 5, for that also we got the same values, so we will get coincident lines. When a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2 is equal to c1 by c2, we will get same points on same line, so only it is called as coincident lines. Now if you see here, solve graphically. 2x plus y is equal to 160, 2x plus y is equal to 150. So if you compare the coefficients, 2 by 2, 1 by 1, so minus 160 by minus 150. So here a1 by a2 is equals to b1 by b2, but it is not equal to c1 by c2. Then they are parallel lines. We should get parallel lines and they will not have any solutions. They will have no solutions. So now 2x plus y is equal to 160. Then y is equal to 160 minus 2x. 160 minus 2x. If you solve graphically, then x and y. When x equal to 0, y is 160. X equal to 0, y is 160. When x equal to 50, 2 into 50 is 100, it will be 60. When x equal to 80, y is 0. When x equal to 80, y is 0. For that equations, 2x plus y is equal to 150. Then y is equal to 150 minus 2x. So if we solve this directly, then x and y. When x equal to 0, y is 150. When x equal to 40, when x equal to 40, y will be 70. When x equal to 75, y is equal to 0. So when we solve this graphically, graphically, so when we solve graphically, x equal to 0, y is 160. When x equal to 50, y is 60. When x equal to 50, y is 60. When x equal to 80, y is 0. When x equal to 0, y is 150. When x equal to 40, y is 70. When x equal to 75, y is 0. So you will get parallel lines and they won't intersect.
ನಾವು ಮಾಡ್ತಾ ಇರೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳು ನಿಮ್ಗೆ ಇಷ್ಟ ಆಗಿದ್ದಲ್ಲಿ ಲೈಕ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ, ಸಬ್ಸ್ಕ್ರೈಬ್ ಮಾಡಿ. ಪಕ್ಕದಲ್ಲಿರೋ ಬೆಲ್ ಐಕನ್ ಅನ್ನ ಕ್ಲಿಕ್ ಮಾಡಿದ್ರೆ ನಾವು ಮಾಡೋ ವಿಡಿಯೋಗಳ ನೋಟಿಫಿಕೇಶನ್ ನಿಮಗೆ ಮೊದಲು ಬರ್ತದೆ. ಯಾವುದೇ ರೀತಿ ಸಂದೇಹಗಳಿದ್ರೆ ಕಮೆಂಟ್ ಸೆಕ್ಷನ್ ಅಲ್ಲಿ ತಿಳಿಸಿ. ಹಾಗೆ ಈ ತರಗತಿಗಳು ಹೆಚ್ಚಿನ ವಿದ್ಯಾರ್ಥಿಗಳಿಗೆ ತಲುಪುವಂತೆ ಶೇರ್ ಮಾಡಿ.